Hello, I'm Mr. Bishop, Performance and Creative Faculty Team Leader. I run the D&T department and I teach A-level product design with Mr. O'Callaghan. I'm sorry we can't host a normal A-level open evening for the students, but I'll try and make this video as useful and as informative as possible. I'm going to run a slideshow via PowerPoint, which means I'll no longer be visible, but I will continue to talk over each slide. I'll leave a few seconds between paragraphs and each slide in case you're still reading. Please bear with me while I adjust the set. We'd love you to take A-level product design. It's a great subject that will give you practical skills, technical knowledge that you can use for the rest of your life, whether or not you choose to follow it as a career. The technical knowledge you get from this subject may help you better understand the technology of your first car. It will make you appreciate the complex processes involved in producing everyday home appliances, and will make you realise the way in which your favourite gadget was designed with you in mind. It's also a chance to get your hands dirty, to do something practical, whether it's marking and cutting out a wooden storage system, welding together a steel chassis for a go-kart, or using CAD/CAM and a laser cutter to design and create complex components for an ethical vending machine. Product design is a chance for you to pair your imagination and creativity with your technical and analytical abilities in order to identify a user need or a design requirement, and to come up with a solution to resolve that need or the requirement. This subject will allow you to develop all of these skills, possibly taking you into further studies and a career in product design, engineering, furniture design, architecture, or automotive design. Former A-level product design students have chosen these paths. Some are now working for BMW and for Dyson. Here are a few comments from two of our current Year 12 A-level students. I didn't record them, but I'll give you a few seconds to read their comments. The note about real-world designers is useful. We use real-life products, companies and case studies to encourage you to think like a designer, talk like an engineer, to draw like an architect. We use all manner of products in hands-on lessons to get you thinking about the way in which the product was designed, made and used. We refer to and make use of recognised design movements, designers and design companies as sources of inspiration and design methodology. You will make use of the knowledge you gained at GCSE, but you will learn new content at a higher level to a greater depth. Product design is split into two areas, both taught by me and Mr. O'Callaghan. You will learn technical principles such as specialist tooling and processing, material testing and application, digital design and manufacture, design communication, and design manufacturing processes. You will also cover designing and making principles. These are design methods, design theory, design culture, responsible and ethical design, design standards and legislation, among many other topics. You'll sit two exams at the end of Year 13. One 2.5-hour exam covering technical principles using a mixture of short answers and extended responses, and a 2-hour designing and making principles exam featuring up to 6 short answer questions on product analysis, and a mixture of short and extended questions on commercial manufacture. You will start an NEA towards the end of Year 12, similar in structure to that at GCSE. It's a bit more technical and is a bit more involved. It's your chance to really delve into user needs and design requirements, resulting in a high quality finished product or prototype. We need A-level students at product design to be really into product design. Being hardworking and organised goes without saying. That applies to all A-level students. We need you to be able to make links across other subjects, to be able to apply knowledge from other subjects in product design. We also need you to be able to bring your own experiences and knowledge to D&T from outside of school into the lessons. We want you to make use of what you do and what you know in everyday life and use that in product design. You'll need to be able to work independently, to be able to make choices and decide for yourself, to take risks with the designs and think differently to others in your class. You'll need that high level of creativity that makes products stand out from the rest, for the right reasons. You'll need that high level of technical ability that ensures your product makes other students think, I wish I'd made that. There will be times when you need to come to D&T and work on your own. You'll need to work on your own at home. You'll need to put in a few weekends on your own. You'll only be able to do that if you're really into product design. Well, that's the end of my little chat. I hope it's been informative and useful. If you have any questions or would like a bit more information about D&T at A-level, please pop in at break or at lunch or even after school, and we can show you around and have a chat and talk you through it all. If you can't get into school as you're an external student from another school, please email me or phone, and I'll try and give you the same sort of information and help you decide whether or not to take A-level design. Thanks so much. Goodbye.